Good morning. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you, Rich Life. How are you? Morning. Good, thanks. Where are you from, Chris Rich Life? Where do you live? Australia. Wow. Beautiful country, Australia. How old are you, Chris? 46. Okay. Me, I'm 40 years old. Nice to meet you, Chris. Oh, okay, nice. Nice to meet you. Do you have a family? Wife, kids? Yes, nice to meet you also. Thank you. I have a daughter. Ah, okay. How many? How many kids do you have? Thumbs up dan maganda siya. Hi, Greg. Just the one. Ah, okay. How are you doing today? Coffee. Having a coffee. Thank you. question, Greg. Thank you for the thumbs up, Greg. You only one give the thumbs up. Hi, Rano. Me too. Hi, Rano. A coffee, yes, I'm a coffee lover. Daily coffee, yes. Sometimes 5 times a day. 4, 5 like that. Coffee daily. Yeah, I think good weather now. The sun. Do you remember me? Rano, sorry, I forgot. Sorry, Rano, I forgot. Who are you? So many come here in the live. That's why I forgot. Or maybe you changed your name? Thank you for the thumbs up. 2 thumbs up now. Hi for the 5 people in the house. One day we met on live. One day we met on live. I don't remember. This time. Thank you for the thumbs up. 3 thumbs up now. Thank you guys. 4 million in the house. So 4 million. I need somebody to somebody to know. Like, maganda yung panahon. I met you in your live. It's 3 weeks ago or a month. Okay. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining here again, Rano. Where are you from, Rano? Asakadari. 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 Oh, Maho na, thank you for the 5 people. May tinapay doon ha.
Ang talipig ang mga bado niratan ko ni ma.
Ayos pa.
Nagharawaan ano man.
Ayos. Any plane today? I work today. Chris, I have to work today. Mardoki de la Fuente. Miss Sheryl Ohm, how old are you? I'm 40. 40. Mardoki. 40. 40 years old. Day off for me. Ah, day off for you? That's nice. Okay, bye. It's 3 a.m. for me. I need to sleep. Okay, where do you live? Where are you from, Rano? 3 a.m. It's a 3 a.m. Where country are you from? You look like a 36-year-old female. I thought you look, I'm 45. Good morning, Cheryl. How are you? Hi, good morning, guys. I'm I coffee. I drink coffee. Coffee in the morning. Just sit down, relax, and drink a coffee. No, not 45. I'm 40 years old. Getting old. Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Oh, oh, maligyaw man at mawala. Umikot man sa kawalan dahil. What about me? Thank you for the heart. Thank you. Sa nag-heart. Thank you so much.
Sheryl, nawi lang na ako kay painabawan lang ito yung bulong.
Ay, magaling ko ba?
Kay gubago din.
Okay.
Hindi mo nagsabi kan mama, napahilit kung ka Manila kay nagkanhindi.
Kadya okay.
Pinihit na kaluluban ko. Kaya dinalupok na anything.
Katuda na lang.
Natambulan ni Luluban ni Singkato na madama para maging rat siya. Nakaulat na siya. Kaso, gubago pa niya. Yun naman kung nabulo.
Ah, sige, sige. No, not 45.